This Gotham steel hammered frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. This makes cooking eggs and other foods easier. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You will spend less time scrubbing after meals. The cream white color adds a touch of elegance. It will update the look of your cookware. The Gotham steel hammered frying pan is also very practical. It is a 12-inch non-stick skillet. This size is perfect for many cooking tasks. The pan is made without PFOA. This means it is safer for you and your family. It can even go in the dishwasher. This adds to the services it provides by saving you time. Consider adding this Gotham steel hammered frying pan to your stock. It functions well as an induction pan. Its non-stick coating is effective. Many products aim for this level of ease. While we can't provide a specific number of happy customers, many find it useful. It's a simple tool for your kitchen. Not some industrial marvel from Brazil, but a helpful pan for your home. This pan is a solid choice for everyday cooking. Pros: non-stick surface, 100% PFOA free, dishwasher safe, induction pan, cream white color. Hammered design, 12-inch size, ceramic pan, easy cooking, easy cleanup. Cons: non-stick may degrade over time, can be scratched by metal utensils, uneven heating possible. Handle can get hot, durability might be limited, white color may stain, some report food sticking, not always truly non-stick, quality can be instant, might not last very long. Features: 12-inch, non-stick, hammered, frying pan, induction pan, non-stick skillet, PFOA free. Ceramic pan, dishwasher safe, cream white. This is a 12-inch Gotham steel frying pan with a hammered design and a cream white color. It has a non-stick ceramic surface that is PFOA free, so food won't easily stick while you cook. This pan can be used on induction cooktops and is also safe to put in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This 12-inch Gotham steel frying pan has a cream white color and a hammered design. It has a non-stick ceramic surface and is 100% PFOA free, which makes cooking and cleaning easier. It can also be used on induction cooktops and is safe to put in the dishwasher. However, the non-stick coating might not last forever and can get scratched. Some people have also found that it doesn't always heat evenly or stay completely non-stick over time. The handle might get hot, and the white color could stain.